The human eye, one of the most remarkable and complex organs in our body. At its core, the eye functions like a biological camera, capturing and processing visual information from our surroundings. Its efficiency in doing so is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Now, let's focus on the most critical structure of the eye, the retina. Imagine the retina as the photographic film of this biological camera. It's a thin layer of tissue located at the back of the eye, lining the interior surface. This seemingly delicate structure lies in the remarkable power to convert light into electrical signals that our brain interprets as the images we see. The retina contains two types of photoreceptor cells: rods and cones. Rods are incredibly sensitive to light and are responsible for our ability to see in low light conditions, while cones are responsible for color vision and sharpness. These photoreceptors send signals to the optic nerve, which eventually transmit this data to the brain. Within the eye, there's a small but crucial section known as the macula, a term derived from Latin, meaning yellow spot. This area is aptly named because it contains carotenoids, light-sensitive pigments that give it a yellowish appearance. The macula is essential for sharp central vision and is associated with conditions like macular degeneration as we age. The entire eye functions like a camera, with the retina acting as its film. The retina comprises various receptors that capture visual information and transmit it to the brain through the optic nerve. Remarkably, the optic nerve contains approximately 1.7 million nerve fibers, responsible for conveying an immense amount of data to the brain. A pivotal nutrient for the retina is DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid of paramount importance. While EPA is another essential omega-3 fatty acid, I'll delve deeper into the significance of DHA in this context. DHA is a type of fat that can be found in nearly all of your body's cells, contributing to the fluidity of cell membranes and serving various functions. It's recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, although it comprises only a small fraction, typically between 1 to 5%, of cell membranes throughout your body. However, within the retina, DHA takes on a much more substantial role, constituting a striking 50 to 60% of its composition. This disproportionate presence of DHA in the retina underscores its critical function in vision. It plays a pivotal role in enabling the retina to respond to light, facilitating the conversion of visual information into signals sent to the brain. Moreover, DHA acts as a potent safeguard against age-related macular degeneration, a debilitating eye condition. One of its noteworthy attributes is its anti-inflammatory nature, mitigating inflammation within the eye. Additionally, DHA inhibits the formation of undesirable blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis, which, when unregulated, can harm vision. Maintaining an optimal balance of blood vessels is vital for eye health. However, it's essential to note that DHA is vulnerable to damage from blue and UV light. Exposure to these forms of light can lead to the degradation of DHA, emphasizing the need for protective measures to safeguard its presence in the retina. Furthermore, DHA faces competition from omega-6 fatty acids found abundantly in seed oils and many commonly consumed foods. This competition can potentially limit the availability of DHA for the retina, underscoring the importance of a balanced diet rich in omega-3 sources. In addition to DHA, other essential components within the retina, especially in the macula, provide crucial protection against harmful UV radiation and blue light. These protective compounds are known as carotenoids, with three specific types being particularly significant: lutein, zeaxanthin, and mesozeaxanthin. Let's break down the foods that provide these essential eye nutrients in detail, starting with DHA. 1. Oily cold water fish. These fish are among the best sources of DHA. Bluefin tuna, in particular, stands out, boasting 5 times more DHA than other tuna varieties. Additionally, you can find substantial DHA content in salmon, herring, cod, oysters, sardines, and even grass-fed beef. Bluefin tuna, remarkably high in DHA, this fish variety offers exceptional eye health benefits. Salmon, known for its rich DHA content, salmon is a popular choice for those seeking to support their eye health. Herring, another cold water fish teeming with DHA, herring is a valuable addition to your diet for eye protection. Cod liver, along with its fishy counterparts, cod liver is a significant source of DHA. Oysters, These shellfish contain notable levels of DHA and are an excellent choice for seafood enthusiasts. Sardines. These small fish are packed with DHA and are often consumed whole, providing a nutrient-rich option. 2. Eggs. Egg yolks, especially in pasture-raised organic eggs, contain DHA. They are a versatile source of this essential nutrient. 3. ALA precursors. While they contain a smaller amount of DHA, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are valuable due to their alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, content. ALA can convert into DHA to some extent. Now, let's explore the sources of carotenoids, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and mesozeaxanthin. 1. Dark leafy greens. Foods like kale and various salad greens are rich in carotenoids, offering a plant-based source of these essential eye nutrients. 2. Eggs. Just as egg yolks provide DHA, they also contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. 3. Grass-fed beef. Apart from DHA, grass-fed beef is a source of carotenoids, contributing to its nutritional value. Cows grazing on a diverse range of plants can yield beef with elevated phytonutrient levels. 4. Shrimp and fish. Specifically, shrimp and certain fish varieties can supply mesozeaxanthin, a carotenoid essential for eye health. It's crucial to emphasize the importance of not only incorporating these eye-nourishing foods into your diet but also reducing consumption of omega-6 fatty acids and limiting high sugar intake. Omega-6 fatty acids are pervasive in many foods and can counteract the benefits of DHA and carotenoids. High sugar consumption can lead to oxidative stress and free radical damage, increasing the demand for these vital eye nutrients. Therefore, making informed dietary choices and avoiding these harmful components is key to promoting and preserving optimal eye health. I want to express my gratitude to all of you for joining me on this journey through the intricate world of eye health and nutrition. Your curiosity and engagement mean the world to us. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to explore our other videos, where we delve into a wide range of fascinating topics. Your support allows us to continue bringing you informative content, so please consider donating to help us keep sharing knowledge that empowers and enriches lives.